Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G72 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprints, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. Correct, we just can unlock the device less than in 1 second. This is the really good result, and when you unlock the device with the fingerprint, not just simply touch it, a little bit hold it for a while, because you have no chance just to unlock the device if you will make it with the simple touches. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.